Okay, exercise 1.4. Look at the sixth sum. From the curve y is equal to x, draw y is equal to minus x, y is equal to 2x, y is equal to x plus 1, so on. So we already seen that first two and then three. So sixth one I'm going to do now. Okay. So from the curve y is equal to x, draw y is equal to minus x. So the y is equal to my x. In that graph you need to draw y is equal to minus x. So first of all you have to draw which graph? Y is equal to x graph. How? Okay, this is y is equal to x graph. How can I draw? How can I draw? Look at that. This is x axis, y axis. So y is equal to x, which means what? If you want to, yeah, we need to put x value any three value, and you will get the y value. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. If I put x value 0, y value also 0, 1, y value 1, 2, y value 2. So 0, comma 0 here, 1, comma 1 here, 2, comma 2 here. It will look like straight line passing through the origin. Okay, so this is a y is equal to x graph. Y is equal to x graph. Okay, so in this graph we need to draw y is equal to minus x. First y is equal to minus x, we need to draw the table. So put x value minus 1, y value will become what? If I put minus value in the place of 1, you will get plus 1. 0 means 0 da. And then if I put 1 value in the place of x, you will get minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 1. So minus 1 here minus 1 plus 1. So the point it be here, this is a point. Okay, and then 0 comma 0 is origin, we know that. And then 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1 is here. So this is a this straight line. That's it. This is the answer. Very simple, right? That's it. First of all, you need to draw the y is equal to x graph. After in that graph, you have to draw the y is equal to minus x. First draw the table, you will get the pairs, and then draw the another straight line. So this is a graph for y is equal to minus x. And next question is y is equal to 2x. So in the same graph we need to draw y is equal to 2x. Listen, if I put x value minus 1, this is a y is equal to x graph. So I need to draw what are the numbers? Minus 1, minus 2. So x value minus 1, y value minus 2. Where is it? Here. Okay, minus 1, minus 2. 0 comma 0 here. And then 1 comma 2 here. So not the straight line like that, but you need to draw with scale and pencil. Okay, so this straight line, this is a line for the y is equal to 2x graph. After that you have to write x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, y axis 1 centimeter 1 unit. Okay, that's it. This is the second graph. And then third one, look at that, y is equal to x plus 1. If you put x value minus 1, y value become what? 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. If I put x value 0, you will get 0 plus 1 is y value is 1. If I put x value 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, y value 2. So minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 comma 2. Keep in your mind. Now we are going to draw the graph in this y is equal to x graph. So x value minus 1, y value 0. X value minus 1, y value 0, which means what? Here is a point. And then 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1, here is the, so exactly 1, here is the point. And then 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, so here is the point. So the line should be like this, the line should be like this, straight line, so parallel line. Yeah, parallel line, because y is equal to x means this is y is equal to x plus 1 means ஒரு term extra இருக்குது, so it will be parallel. So parallel lines, that's it. So the remaining graphs you can draw as it is, so you can draw similarly. So all the graphs are similar process only. Okay, now look at the fourth sum. Write the steps to obtain the graph of the function y is equal to 3 of x minus 1 whole square plus 5 from the graph y is equal to x square. So we need to write the steps only. We don't want to draw the graph. So write the steps to obtain the graph of function y is equal to 3 of x minus 1 whole square plus 5. 3 of y is equal to 3 of x minus 1 whole square plus 5. So clear up 3 of x minus 1 whole square plus 5. Okay, so look at the conditions. These are the condition. So there are the four condition. In this four condition, when the problem is similar, so look at that in the bracket term, look at that x minus 1 whole square, which means what? X minus 1 is same as x minus c. So y is equal to f of x minus c comma c greater than or equal to 0. So the second condition is similar. The second condition is similar to the our problem. Second condition is similar to the our problem. So that is the first step. That is a first step. So first step is what? Cause the shift to the right. Cause the shift to the right. And then also again look at that. Y is equal to 3 of x minus 1 whole square plus 5. There is another form also. So suppose I consider this 3 of x minus 1 whole square full f of x எடுத்துக்கிட்டா. So 3 of x minus 1 whole square I considered as f of x plus that 5 in d. So now look at that. F of x plus d. Similar. So f of x plus 5. Same as f of x plus d. The third condition. So causes the shift to the upward. That is the third. Okay. So there are two conditions in this method. So look at that. So y is equal to 3 of x minus 1 whole square plus 5. So there are these are the conditions. So f of x minus c, that is one condition, causes the shift to the right, and y is equal to f of x plus d, that is also same form only. So causes the shift to the upward. Okay. So and then third condition. So what is the question? Our question is 3 of x minus 1 whole square plus 5. Correct? So that 3 of x minus 1 whole square, which means what? And 3 of, which means what? Product. Product means multiplication. So 3 multiplied by x minus 1 whole square. So listen. Yeah, look at the second line. Multiplying that function means what? Here x minus 1 whole square, multiplying a function by a positive constant. So multiplying that function positive constant. And also look at the fourth line. If the positive constant is greater than 1 the graph moves away from the x-axis. So the graph moves away from the x-axis. So what is the condition? Multiplied by the positive integer, that positive integer is greater than 1 irunda, the graph moves away from the x-axis. So what is our question? Y is equal to 3 of x minus 1 whole square plus 5. So here 3 is multiplied by that function. So 3 is a positive integer. So also 3 is greater than 1, so that the graph moves away from the x-axis. So now I'm going to write the condition steps. So first one is causes the shift to the right by 1 unit, because x minus 1 whole square minus 1. So 1 unit. And the second condition steps is graph moves away from the x-axis. Why I write here? Because the positive integer multiply. So that integer must be greater than 1 it away from the x-axis. So 3 is greater than 1. So graph moves away from the x-axis. Third one is that a plus d form, f of x plus d form, causes the shift to upward by plus d in the value of 5, so 5 units. That's it. So the remaining sums, there are two sums are there, same graph, so you can draw your own. So very similar to the this sums one.